Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your TIAA account, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your TIAA account, start by visiting the official TIAA website. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. On the login page, find and click the link that says register for online access. You will be directed to the registration. Here, enter the required information, including your social security number, date of birth, and TIAA account number. If you don't have your account number, you can opt to enter your email address instead. After filling in the necessary fields, click on the Continue button to move to the next step. You will be prompted to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the identity verification process. Once your identity is verified, you can create your username and password. Make sure to choose a strong password that meets TIAA's security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. After creating your login credentials, you may need to set up security questions. These questions will help protect your account and assist in recovery if needed. Once everything is complete, review the information you have provided. Click the Submit button to finalize your account activation. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your TIAA account is now activated. Now you can return to the login page and enter your new username and password. Once logged in, you can access your account and explore the features available to you. If you encounter any issues during the process, consider reaching out to TIAA support for assistance. Congratulations, you have successfully activated your TIAA account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.